Where is Igni? Left, right?
They are in upper. Oops, I'm dead. Okay, thank you.
Wait, I'm getting the Uno outside.
No, you can't. You can't get the Uno. You can't get the Uno. Just defend. Everybody defend.
Got it.
Defense first. They attacked us so quickly. Wow. Okay. Have they taken our Uno? No.
I have no. No, it's still there.
Okay, nice. Please make a triangle. Nice triangle, guys.
Where's the other?
Nice.
Please battle spike.
I'm gonna die.
Put it in the
Okay,
center.
that's fine.
For now.
Oh wow, they sent so many people at us. What the hell? The respect. I think they got our Uno. Wait
No,
it's
still there.
Tangina nyo.
Okay.
Whale.
Okay.
Macho-choke man sila.
Okay. No. This is bad for Igni. They should not do this. Wag sa atin. What are they doing? They're wasting resources here. Nakakailang balik na tong si Glitch, ha? Tsaka si Yokin.
Karma.
They're not supposed to be doing this. This wasn't part of their plan.
Maybe they just really wanted our Uno.
They're losing their mind. They're going to die. Nice
Can
one.
you click it?
Nice battle spike. Is there one more battle spike?
I only saw 2. I can't find
Dalawa
another
lang.
one.
Oh no, there's only 2. Bloominji, Yokin, he's dead. Okay, nice defense. Okay, Winter, you're going to die to me this time.
Karma is not clickable.
Stop wasting resources on us. They're wasting everything on us. What are they doing? They're going to let Thirsty win.
Okay, that's the other one. Okay. Good.
Wait, tigilan nila to.
Still Black Karma is holding booster core.
There's no booster core?
It activates the... Wait.
That's good.
Tangina tong gago na witch to sila. Ang Ryaki.
Wait, one of our
Napunta na patay din talaga.
one of the barricade things is missing. They're getting the Uno.
One of the barricades are missing.
Napupush back at ang
There
Thirsty.
are 3, but one of them is missing.
We're on defense.
Ang Thirsty yata napupush back kasi nakapunta ako sa base nila. Ang mga
Someone got
na
the
sa...
Uno, guys. Ay, no. It's still in the center.
Stop. Try to kill Thirsty people. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, they got it. They got it.
Uno.
They got the Uno.
Asa na?
Nino.
Nakay Winter.
Igni, ano yan, no?
Tibag. Patay ang canon nyo. Sino ka ba? Putang ina, patay ako. Segway natin yun. Ben. Kill Ben. Oh,
Thirsty first, ha. Prioritize Thirsty. Get this guy out of the way. Kill him.
Battle spikes. Probably dead.
Why?
Oh no, wala nang points yung ignition. Kill this guy. I think we got him.
Okay.
Ang ina, napunta ako doon sa kalaban.
Kill this guy. Tylo is here
Go to
also.
the right side. Go to the right side.
Tylo is here. They're fighting in our side. Tylo. Galit si Tylo sa akin, no? Sige, put black hole in the door. That's fine. Nice. Oh, what happened? Is there any signal for the buff tower?
A baby
Nag-signal na.
Hindi nakita.
Why are they going to us though?
Then how to activate booster core?
Step nga lang tayo dito.
Gago, Tori pala yun, puta.
No, stop fighting ignition people. We need to kill.
Okay.
If you guys can find Thirsty people, that would be great. Oh, we got another. Where's the Uno? Where is it? Where's the Uno?
The barricades at the back. Don't touch it anymore.
Okay.
Wait. They're trying to.
Oh yeah, okay, Malo. Okay, good.
They're trying to steal our Uno.
Where's our Uno? I don't see it.
I don't know. It's there in the center. They're trying to steal our Uno. But why are they going to us?
Because they're trying to steal our Uno.
Yeah, but what they should be doing is dueling with Thirsty. Why are they trying to delete us first? I didn't say that we're going to throw. I didn't say we were going to throw. I didn't agree to being thrown. Nope, nakuha na nila. Somebody's carrying it out. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my left
Well,
side,
okay,
left side. They got the
Sige, napunta sa Igni. Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Tama na, they should stop fighting us. Wait,
dito na ang
has
Thirsty
Buff
sa
Tower
amin.
respond?
Igni pushing, Thirsty pushing.
Thirsty, where?
Thirsty
Which
sa
one?
right side, push sila.
Right side? Where?
Malapit sa base.
Sige, check.
Sa garden.
Sa garden, okay. Buti na spot mo. Sino yan?
Ayun naman.
Who's that? Wait
Yung pangalan niya ba sa witch? Tatlo yun?
Oh.
Ito.
Ito ba si Tibag? Sa mga Tara sa Thirsty.
Tara. Pasukin ko
Pasukin. Nice. I'm actually hurting some people.
Dami dito.
YOLO.
Kami nagdedep.
No, Winter, stop attacking me, bro.
Okay, nawala na yung mga barricade things natin.
Wala yung barricade?
Irritating them. Okay, nice. Go. Are they allowed to break it?
I think so.
Pero may
They
na-destroy kami
took the
kanina
fighting
dito.
to us. They took the fighting to us. If you guys can distract Thirsty, we can try to steal.
Sige.
What if full attack na lang tayo sa Thirsty? Like,
Okay, Thirsty is on our right side. Thirsty is on our right side.
regroup muna tayo sa base and all out.
Isang less.
Team X1, let's try for Thirsty.
Base muna.
Game.
Base muna. Mamaya na.
Wait, pumapasok ng Igni. I'm destroying their tower. I'm destroying the cannon tower. Okay, Juicy's after me. No, Juicy. No. I'm not your target, bro.
Then one push
okay.
tayo sa right side na siguro. Wala na tayong uno, di ba?
Wala na.
Tara, right side. Dito, jump.
Okay, I run.
Right side.
Bro, yung sakit mo.
Tara.
Okay.
Right side.
Ay, kumalo na. Umalis ka dito.
Nandito
Okay
sila.
na.
Black X,
Alright,
but
nice.
I need you need to touch those shiny
Si Ben, nandito si Ben.
You see? Once you carry the
we have
booster
one.
core. I think
Isang,
you
do you
need to
have to
touch each
activate or
other.
no? Activate
No,
or no
not
need?
yet. I think not yet.
Here, put Spike here.
Si
No,
Ben,
Kill Ben,
here.
kill
Right side si Ben.
Ben, he's dead. Oh no, sayang. Kill Ben.
Here, near the wall.
Kill Angryaki.
Wait.
Kapi.
Okay, whoop. Oh, I got him.
Barricade.
Oh, I got him.
Tara, push.
Oh.
Who is
Wait lang,
moving
may
booster to
breaking.
the center? Don't move it to the center, guys.
Stop moving it to the center, please.
Sa likod. Meron
Go
naka-backdoor sa
here.
atin.
Follow me.
Yun ang putang ng
Go
Jolly
here.
dito.
After the stairs, 2 stairs, snow.
Who's no over
Oh,
here?
Here.
Gago.
Oh, over here.
Middle. After
No.
you go down with
Oh.
stairs.
No,
Sakit
over
din yung
here.
bot. Putang
No.
Guys, jump tayo dito guys.
Go to the
Right
base,
side,
go to the
nandito
base.
sila.
Wait to the base.
Uy, lag.
Oh,
Here, come here.
Careful.
Follow me.
Wait.
Here.
Defend base first. Stop
here.
invading Thirsty.
follow me.
Here.
Stop
Yeah, that's
invading
right.
Thirsty.
That's right.
Okay, hold. We also have to act like we're holding. What happened to our barricade?
tayo?
No more na?
One left.
One
we
left.
got one.
Dito sila blue, nakapasok. Ang gago.
Ito, Jalebi, why does Igni keep sending people here?
Init.
What are they doing? Buff tower resetting in 6 seconds. Ready team 1. X1. Okay, game. Invade Thirsty.
Right side. Jump, right side.
They're gonna try to contest. They're trying to contest. Invade Thirsty.
Ito, may nagbabantay ng witch, oh.
Invade Thirsty.
Pinta po. Dito. May sa kitara.
Ang ina mo.
Hindi mo
Ganyan,
gago.
dami gago.
Ina mo.
Patay ako, gago.
Ang ina, sakit, gago. Dayas na.
Invade Thirsty. Invade. Nice one.
Right side, guys. Jump. May ano dyan.
Ang ina niya. Pera dip.
Pera deep talaga. Ay, naka-breaking na yun.
Back.
Uy, we have
Defend
Uno!
the center. Defend our What's this?
The gas again.
Inang sakit.
Oh no!
They got it again.
What is Winter here?
They're sending weak people to us. Igni is sending weak people to us.
Winter is here.
You can kill them. They're sending weak people to us. Juicy is not. Juicy won't come. And Yokin, they're not gonna come back here. They're sending only weak people to us.
Yung mga whale ng piercing sa atin.
200 pa rin. Ang gunat. Pili ko na nga ata itong
Black and Strat, can you try moving closer the booster? The Shining must touch each other, I think. So you can able to activate it. Just try.
What are these guys trying to do?
Kago ka, disrespect ka, tangina mo.
Ay, fudge.
Puta. Dapat na, nag-multi na ako.
It's okay, don't use diamonds. It's okay.
Oh my
Ay,
god.
Are we sure
sayang
that Igni is getting the baby dragons or thirsty?
I'm not sure.
I think
Anyone knows? Hello?
Igni.
Wala.
Igni?
Okay.
Okay. What time until buff tower? Until the next buff tower, it's 1 by 1. Okay, 44 seconds. 44 seconds. We just defend for 44 seconds and then we go out. We go out to check again. Any thirsty people here? No. Ignore.
nandito sila Austin.
What's happening here? Kumanomena, oh my god.
Isa lang nagbabantay sa ignition.
Who moved that?
San?
Isa lang nagbabantay sa
Oh
ignition.
no, it's not.
So pwede magnakaw?
Pwede.
Ang minove niya yung spikes.
Booster core or spike?
Spikes.
Maybe that's not such a bad idea.
No, but we don't have spikes anymore.
Oh crap, yeah,
It
they're
just
just gonna
got
break
deleted.
it. Oh, so we have no more spikes. Okay, that sucks.
We have no more spikes.
No,
They can
no,
destroy
no,
it.
Invade.
Battle strike.
Invade.
Binabasag ko yung power dito.
All out push thirsty.
Where are you guys?
All out push thirsty, you
All
want?
out was thirsty.
Okay.
Muunat naman na itong monolith na to.
Ang hirap, nakalapit.
Ay, Nalo, yan,
lapit,
Ignition,
napatay
Ignition
na
got one of the buff towers.
Let's go.
Ignition got the buff tower. Don't fight Ignition people, they're too tanky. Plus 30% defense yan. Here. Kill Bad Boy Kinezo. Nice one, he's dead. Wow. Alright, nice one.
Disrespect.
The extra is here. Oh.
1 minute
no.
to our other side.
Which kingdom will imprint it this time?
Kill this guy. Oh. Okay.
Oh shit.
Game, mababasag ko yung first monolith dito.
Okay, defense against Igni. Thirsty is
Pwede
starting
pala
to catch
magtago
wind.
dito.
Thirsty is starting to
gago
catch
sa
wind. We need to kill Igni people. We need to kill Igni people. They're starting to catch wind. Easy.
Full.
Ah,
Sa kaliwa ka, samahan mo ako. Basag na itong first monolith. Boog!
ano nga kaliwa nga, left, right?
Basagin ko na yung game na sa likod. Puta, ano ba ito?
Thirsty then, thirsty.
Hindi,
Thirsty, kill Thirsty nearby. If they're near our base, kill at all costs. Next buff tower in 2 minutes. Huwag na kayo lumapit, Ignition, tangina!
Uy, gago, nandito na ako sa base nila, sayang.
Nak ng puta.
Ano yung anong battle spike to?
10 seconds, baby dragon.
Ball, may daan na sa Igni. Bukas na.
Igni?
May dance with
Sira ko
BCS,
yung
get
sa likod.
sunod na ako. Try tayo, Vol, try your best to kill.
Manggugulo lang kami dito.
What?
Not in the center. Careful with the center. You're gonna get, all of you will get one shot.
Ano sabi mo, still choppy ka? Sorry.
You can try stealing from Igni.
Okay.
If you can. According to them, there's only one guard.
Okay.
According to them, there's only one guard.
Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Tsaka basag din.
Basag, tower.
Basag yung gate. Yung sa likod.
Sige.
Wait lang.
Kylo is here.
Tara.
I distracted him.
Enemy force has won
Okay.
points by
Okay.
decision.
What's that gonna do?
Get the skills ko.
Mananalo na sila.
Ay! Oh.
Di ka, nakawin natin.
Nakaw!
Ready. Magbe-breaking ako, bravo. Jump na sa likod, bitaw ako sa likod, gago.
Everyone, go! All out attack on Igni. All out attack, Igni.
Din ako, gago.
Gago, ang dami.
Ang dami na
Sila
sila,
bigla.
hindi na defense na, nag-defense na sila.
All out attack, Igni.
Isang pagluksok pa lang, patay na ako agad.
Kita mo yung, yung daan doon, Bol.
Oo.
Pinagsira
Kailangan
ko
din.
kanina pa.
Inignore lang pala nila.
May
Guys, regroup, then all out push tayo sa
Tower has reset. Which kingdom will imprint it
Wala na
this
yata.
time?
Ala na, 10 seconds, wala na. At least nakatry tayo.
5, 4, 3,
GG.
Oh,
fight for the throne.
it's not bad. Hey, we tried our best.
Not bad, guys.
Wow!
Isang may video ka.
Yeah.
I forgot to take. OMG,
Grabe siya,
thirsty.
The buff tower has
Sino
reset.
nanalo?
Which kingdom will imprint it this
Lakas
time?
naman ng Igni.
Ang lakas ah.
Yeah. Nagpo-push nga nila yung yung thirsty.
Oo, tas yung iba
Kanina.
nasa atin.
Oo.
Still kuha natin